If you love authentic barbecue, complete with the smoky smell and fall-off-the-bone tenderness, but think that making it yourself is a challenge, you need to get to know the new digital smokers from Char-Broil. We've been innovating outdoor cooking for over 65 years and have learned about the features you need to barbecue with confidence. Smarter smoking. Get peace of mind and watering of mouth, knowing that your food is perfectly cooked with our removable and washable temperature probe. Set and forget. Our electric element provides consistent heat, while the generously sized wood chip box lets you load once for up to 6 hours of smoke. Spend more time with the guests and less with the smoker. Intuitive controls. We've designed digital controls you'll understand instantly. Plus, they'll alert you when your food is done and keep it warm until you're ready to eat. Functional interior. All the thoughtful details inside make cooking carefree and easy. Configure the grates for whatever you're cooking in seconds, and cleaning up is a snap with our side access grease tray. The new Char-Broil digital smokers are smart and easy additions to anyone's outdoor cooking arsenal. We put in all the work to make it easy for you to focus on the flavor.
Most people think there's only one way to grill the perfect meat. Me personally, I like to rub my meat for about 2 minutes. What were you thinking? Take the 600 2B series from Z Grills. These wood pellet grills are so versatile you can grill, barbecue, smoke, roast, sear, braise, and bake. I'm not just saying that because they're paying me. Look, let me just show you what I mean. With a variety of different wood pellets, you can fill the hopper with the flavor of your choice. I prefer a nice hickory. There's something about a delicate and earthy taste with a hint of sweetness. I can relate. Set your desired temperature, and the advanced auger system goes to work. Look at that beautiful caramelized sear. It's kind of a big deal. With added convenience and easy cleanup, the oil flows from the grill into the drip bucket with no mess. These wood pellet grills bring innovation and design to the traditional barbecue, unlike those other messier ones. Z Grills makes it so easy anyone can grill like a barbecue king. My wife bought the shirt. This is supposed to be slow-mo, but we ran out of budget. Perfection. Get yourself a Z Grills today, and you too can grill like a king. Shirt not included.